Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable ClickFunnels funnel analytics with Google Analytics, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable ClickFunnels funnel analytics with Google Analytics, start by logging into your ClickFunnels account. Navigate to the funnel you want to track. Click on the Settings tab located in the top menu. Scroll down until you see the Tracking Code section. Open a new tab and log into your Google Analytics account. In Google Analytics, go to the Admin section on the bottom left corner. Under the Property column, select Tracking Info. Then, click on Tracking Code. You will see your tracking ID. Copy this tracking ID. Return to your ClickFunnels settings. In the Tracking Code section, paste the tracking ID into the appropriate field. Make sure to also check if you can add any additional tracking code if needed for more advanced analytics. Once pasted, move down to the Save button at the bottom of the page. Click Save to ensure your settings are updated. To verify the connection, navigate back to Google Analytics. Go to the Real-Time section. Click on Overview. Open your funnel page in a new browser tab to create a real-time event. If set up correctly, you should see activity reflecting in Google Analytics. Now, navigate back to your ClickFunnels account. Use the funnel dashboard to view performance metrics. You can also explore various reports in Google Analytics for deeper insights. Adjust your analytics settings and goals in Google Analytics as needed for enhanced tracking. Review the performance data regularly to optimize your marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.